Annual honking contest today. Every vehicle at the depot. Best honk wins.
A honking contest? Captain, my honk sounds like a mouse sneezing.
Then you better practice. Contest is at sundown. Good luck, kid.
Benny, let me hear your honk. Give me everything you've got.
Okay, here goes. Meep.
That was adorable. But we need loud. Try from your belly.
From my belly? My belly is where the engine is. What if I honk and my engine falls out?
Your engine is not going to fall out. Just push more air through. Deeper.
Me. Was that deeper? That felt deeper. Maybe I should try different honks. A musical honk. Meep, 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 meep.
That sounded like a kazoo having a nightmare.
Okay, what about a rapid honk? Meep, 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 meep.
Now you sound like a woodpecker. Try something powerful, like a truck.
Like a truck. Okay. Whoa! I think I pulled something.
The contest is starting. Look at all these vehicles. That fire truck sounds like thunder.
Did you hear that fire truck? That honk shook the ground. I can't compete with that.
There's also funniest honk and most creative. It's not just about loud.
Funniest honk. Dot. My honk is already a joke. Literally.
Exactly. Lean into it. Make it the funniest, squeakiest, most ridiculous honk ever.
You want me to honk bad on purpose? That's actually kind of genius. My turn. Deep breath. And me. There. Laughing. Everyone is laughing. Wait, is that good laughing or bad laughing?
They love it. Do it again. Do the rapid one. The woodpecker.
Meep, 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 meep. Me at meep. Thank you. I'm here all week.
Funniest honk goes to Benny. Look at that trophy. It's shaped like a horn.
I won something. With my terrible honk, being bad at something actually paid off.
Funniest honk. Only you could win a trophy from being the worst at something. Enjoy the trophy. Tomorrow's route is completely quiet. No honking, no noise, just silence.
Here we go again.